Today's video will provide a comprehensive guide to understanding and mastering the law of attraction. It will delve deep into the principles behind this transformative concept and explore insights from prominent figures such as Napoleon Hill, Earl Nightingale, Jim Rohn, Joe Vitale, and Bob Proctor. The law of attraction is not merely a New Age belief, but a powerful principle echoed through centuries in various cultures and philosophies. Let's embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of manifesting your desires and transforming your life. Chapter 1. Understanding the law of attraction. First, let's establish a foundational understanding of the law of attraction. At its core, the law of attraction states that like attracts like, that is, whatever thoughts and emotions we consistently focus on, we attract into our lives. This principle operates on the belief that our thoughts and emotions emit vibrations that resonate with similar energies in the universe, ultimately shaping our reality. In his seminal work Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasized thought's power in creating reality. He believed that individuals could manifest their deepest desires by maintaining a clear, focused desire and consistently taking action toward its attainment. Quote analysis: whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill's quote powerfully encapsulates the law of attraction by emphasizing the undeniable connection between thoughts, beliefs, and manifestations. It boldly declares that our thoughts can shape our reality, and our minds are the architects and executors of our desires. The concepts of imagination and visualization are critical components in paving the way for manifestation, while belief is the driving force that propels us toward our goals. This quote confidently asserts that our thoughts and beliefs emit vibrations that attract corresponding experiences into our lives, thus proving the principle of like attracting like. It underscores the importance of aligning our thoughts and beliefs with our desired outcomes to master the law of attraction, manifest our deepest aspirations, and achieve unparalleled success in all facets of life. Chapter 2. The role of belief and visualization. Building upon Hill's insights, Earl Nightingale, in his renowned Recording the Strangest Secret, stressed the significance of belief and visualization in achieving success. Nightingale proposed that our thoughts are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of our subconscious minds. By consistently reinforcing positive beliefs and visualizing desired outcomes, we can program our subconscious to work towards manifesting our goals. Quote analysis: we become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Earl Nightingale. Earl Nightingale's quote powerfully captures the transformative power of belief and visualization in shaping our lives. He unequivocally asserts that we become what we think about most of the time, underscoring the profound influence of our predominant thoughts and mental focus on our experiences and outcomes. Our internal dialogue and mental images shape our reality, directing our attention and energy towards specific outcomes. Nightingale refers to this phenomenon as the strangest secret, emphasizing that many overlook the profound implications of constantly directing our thoughts and beliefs toward our goals. This quote highlights the critical importance of consciously cultivating positive thoughts, beliefs, and visualizations, as they serve as the blueprint for the reality we ultimately manifest. It underscores the principle that by harnessing the power of belief and visualization, we can deliberately shape our destinies and unlock our fullest potential. Chapter 3. Taking inspired action. While belief and visualization are essential components of the law of attraction, Jim Rohn, a renowned motivational speaker and author, emphasized the importance of taking inspired action. Rohn believed that success is not merely a result of wishful thinking, but a consequence of deliberate, purposeful action. Quote analysis: you don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn's quote strongly emphasizes the importance of taking inspired and purposeful action and adding value to achieve success. Rohn challenges the conventional notion that time alone leads to financial reward by stating, "You don't get paid for the hour." He suggests that the accurate measure of compensation lies in the value one contributes, implying that mere presence or effort is insufficient, the quality and impact of one's actions that determine one's worth. Rohn's assertion underscores the importance of adopting a proactive mindset and actively seeking opportunities to deliver meaningful contributions in any endeavor. In essence, This quote serves as a potent reminder that success is not solely determined by the time invested, but by the value generated through one's actions. It highlights the critical necessity of taking inspired and purposeful steps towards one's goals. Chapter 4. Aligning with Abundance. In his book, The Attractor Factor, Vitale explores aligning with abundance by shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance. Vitale suggests cultivating gratitude and abundance can open us to receiving the universe's blessings. Quote analysis. Money is simply an echo of value. Vitale. Vitale's quote unequivocally emphasizes the importance of aligning with abundance by highlighting the innate connection between money and value. He boldly asserts that money is simply an echo of value, indicating that financial wealth is an unmistakable reflection of the value one provides to others. It unequivocally implies that pursuing monetary gain should not be the primary focus. Instead, one should prioritize creating and delivering value to others. When we align our actions and intentions with the principle of abundance, our focus shifts from scarcity and acquisition to contribution and service. Vitale's powerful assertion reminds us that wealth naturally flows to those who prioritize adding value to the lives of others. It underscores the significance of cultivating a mindset of abundance and generosity and serves as a forceful reminder that creating value for others is the key to achieving prosperity. Chapter 5. Harnessing the Subconscious Mind. Bob Proctor, a prominent figure in personal development, emphasizes the role of the subconscious mind in manifesting our desires. He believes that our subconscious programming, formed through years of conditioning, dictates our thoughts, beliefs, and, ultimately, our reality. Proctor advocates reprogramming the subconscious mind through affirmations, visualization, and repetition to harness the power of the law of attraction. Quote analysis. See yourself living in abundance, and you will attract it. Bob Proctor's quote perfectly encapsulates the transformative potential of harnessing the subconscious mind in manifesting abundance. In his words, see yourself living in abundance, and you will attract it. Proctor emphasizes the critical role of visualization and belief in shaping our reality. We can attract desired outcomes into our lives by harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, which is receptive to vivid imagery and repetitive affirmations. Proctor's assertion underscores the principle that consistently aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the vision of abundance can activate the law of attraction and draw prosperity and success toward us. In essence, this quote serves as a powerful reminder of the inherent power within each individual to influence their circumstances by consciously directing their subconscious mind towards positive and empowering visions, thereby unlocking the path to abundance and fulfillment. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a potent force that governs the dynamics of our reality. By understanding and applying the principles espoused by Napoleon Hill, Earl Nightingale, Jim Rohn, Vitale, and Bob Proctor, we can unlock our innate potential and create the life we desire. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. So dare to dream big, believe in yourself, and take inspired action towards your goals. With dedication, persistence, and a deep understanding of the law of attraction, you can transform your life and manifest your deepest desires. To embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, I invite you to like, comment, or subscribe to explore these concepts further. For additional resources, visit my website, www.beboldharmony.com, or purchase recommended Amazon books using the links provided. Act now and take the first step towards a brighter future. Together, let us actively shape our destinies and create abundance, joy, and purpose-filled lives. Thank you for listening. May I wish you all have magic and miracles in your life every moment, every day, as you go forward to create the magic and miracles that you long for. You are the masterpiece of your own life. Go for it. Go for the magic and miracles that you want to attract. God speaks to you, and I love you.